Hi everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. Today's video, I would like to share with you all my journey to Bercham. Bercham is a place in Ipoh, Perak. The first place I went to in Bercham is GP Food Court. At here got many type of foods, chicken chop, chicken rice, apambalik and more. During that time, the pancake shop was closed, so we could not buy anything from here. But you can see from here, and they also got satay. Since we didn't buy anything, we are going to another place in Bercham to check whether we can buy anything for tea time. After went to GP, now we are going to another town in Bercham, and you can see, as you can see, the road was so busy during that time. There are many shops are open even though it's on weekends. So you can see at here they got hair salon, pharmacy, and also behind also got many shop loads and school dresses, optical shops and more. Particularly at this place they will sell like drinks and light foods at here, but during that time, since it's late, there are not shops are open at there. Any type of service shops also available at here. I saw Vivo and DG and more. If you are hungry, don't worry, at here you can buy cakes or buns, and many type of restaurants are also available at here, food court and more. You can see this one all are small shops, but they are selling food and more. I haven't visited these shops before this, but if you have visited these shops, do share your experience at the comment section below. Salted chicken, sandal, and more available at here. If you want to try many type of foods, you can come to this place, particularly this place, to taste many type of foods at here. And this one is a food court, and you can see how big this place is. And there is shop lot, and this side shop lot, and there are many type of shop lots available at here. And they are also selling coconut water at there also. And this is another way of to the next type of shop loads, and there also got many shops, but this side of shops are mostly are closed, and that's why I didn't show to this side. Here is a field available at here. During I visit that place, there are some people are still using the field. They are walking and jogging at there. And this is the another shop lot. At there you can see tuition, KFC, pharmacy, and shop that's selling lights and service shops. And another side there is a petrol station, and they are built some shop loads. And you can also see speed mart and tuition centers are also available at this place. Since this place is too big, I could not cover much on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I will meet you all in another video. Take care and bye.